channel. So today I introduce you to my latest acquisition slash project. It's an M101A1 3/4 ton military trailer. I bought it off a guy off of Facebook Marketplace, and he just used it to make runs to the scrapyard. I don't know how long he had it, but he still has the information from the auction that he has on it. I bought it primarily so I don't have to put gas cans, dirty tools, my chainsaws in the back of my Jeep. I can just set everything in the trailer here and also use this to make runs to the recycle center or the landfill. Overall, it's in good shape. It still has it's wired for the NATO plug. So I'll put that back on there, but I will wire it with just the regular 4-way so I can connect it to my Jeep and pull it with the Jeep, because again, this is going to be the primary vehicle pulling it. I am going to add adjustable landing gear on there. Where it's at, it's almost even, but it does have a slight, it's tilted forward a touch when I put it on the Jeep as it is. And I know once I get some weight in there, it'll probably set it down a little bit further. Now, I am going to lift this about 2 inches, which will bring it up, and we'll see how that does. But I'm going to still put a adjustable landing gear on here. Need some new tires. These are dry, I'm getting the crack, but they'll do all right. I got one lug. Looks like it doesn't want to tighten up, and I'm not sure if that's the original axle and somebody switched it from an 8 lug to a 5, but that's doable. He had it wired before, but when I hooked up to it, the lights didn't come on, so I have those magnetic lights on it right now, but I'll redo all that. Again, overall it's in fairly decent shape. No major holes in the floor. Has a tarp, but he lost the bows, so I can still find bows to put on there. The wood's in good shape for the most part. I may keep those on there for a while, but got to replace the front. At least 2 pieces up front. It's not too bad. Get it in the paint shop. Like I say, a few rust spots, but given its age, it's expected. So that's a quick overview. Hit the subscribe button and come on back and catch updates as I work on this trailer and bring it back to life. Disconnecting the trailer is not as bad as connecting, but you'll see why I want to put a adjustable landing gear on there, because fighting with this thing gets old real quick. Like I say, disconnecting is not the hard part. Now, I told you earlier that I'm going to put an adjustable landing gear on there, and I'll show you why here right now. This gets old real quick. So that wasn't too bad. I don't have too much in here and we're on a flat surface. But the first time I tried to hook it up, I had to fight disconnecting that leg because it was sitting for so long. And then in my yard, it's on a slight angle, and pulling that trailer empty is for the birds. So again, this is the new M101A1, well, new to me, M101A1 project. Be sure to subscribe so you'll get updates as I continue on with this project. I'll see you on the next one.